Good morning, children.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Lakshmi, good morning. Have you both watched the videos which I shared with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have got to know the definitions of certain important terms in this chapter, algebraic expressions. Can you name the terms? Can you name the terms which were explained in the videos?
Ma'am, algebraic expressions, constant, variable, polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, zero polynomial, constant polynomial.
Very good. Very good, Danya. Perfect. All right. So algebraic expression. What is an algebraic expression? To define an algebraic expression, we need to understand the meaning of the terms constants and variables. So once you understand what a constant and a variable is, then you will be able to understand the meaning of the term algebraic expressions. And then is the important term polynomials, monomial, binomial, trinomial, zero polynomial, and constant polynomial. Since these are explained in detail in the videos, I'm not going to do them again. Let's move forward. So we'll continue from, where you've stopped in the videos. But before that, any questions? See all these sums which you can see, I think 3 questions and answers on the screen. These were explained in the videos. Have a look and tell me if you have any doubts. What are like terms, by the way? What are like terms and unlike terms?
Like terms are those algebraic expressions which have same variables, ma'am.
Okay. So if 2 terms have the same literal factors, variables are the letters. Letters are the literal factors. So literal factors meaning the letters. Now, if you take this expression minus 13 by 7xy, when we consider this expression minus 13 by 7xy, now the different factors of this expression are minus 13 by 7, x and y. The different factors of this expression, the expression is minus 13 by 7xy. I'm just taking only this term alone, okay? Minus 13 by 7xy. So in this expression, the different factors of this expression are minus 13 by 7, x and y. Minus 13 by 7, x and y. Now, for example, you can write 30 as 2 into 3 into 5. We can write 30 as 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 2, 3 and 5 are the factors of 30. Because you can write 30 as 2 into 3 into 5. Similarly, minus 13 by 7xy is like 30. And that can be written as minus 13 by 7 into x into y. Minus 13 by 7xy, it can be written as minus 13 by 7 into x into y. So they are the different factors of the expression minus 13 by 7xy. Now, when we say factors, there are 2 kinds of factors, numerical factor and literal factor. Numerical, meaning comprising of numbers. Literal factors, comprising of letters, A, B, C, D. When we say factors, there are two types of factors. An expression, an algebraic expression will have a combination, may have a combination of these two factors, literal factors and numerical factors. So now in this expression minus 13 by 7xy, minus 13 by 7 is the numerical factor. Minus 13 by 7 is the numerical factor of minus 13 by 7xy. And x and y are the literal factors, meaning letters, literal factors. X and y are the literal factors of minus 13 by 7xy. Minus 13 by 7 is the numerical factor of minus 13 by 7xy. All the factors of minus 13 by 7xy are minus 13 by 7, x and y. When it's just factors, you have to list everything. If it is specific numerical factors, then it's only that factor which comprises, or those factors that comprise of numbers. Literal, L-I-T-E-R-A-L, L-I-T-E-R-A-L, literal factors comprising of letters. I hope we got that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
let you know.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
video is not seen, ma'am.
louder, louder.
Yes, ma'am. I can't see, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see the video, ma'am.
Why, darling, you can't see my screen?
I can't see, ma'am.
What about the others, children? I have shared my screen. Is it visible?
Ma'am, I think they are saying about the video, ma'am.
No, 1 minute. I've shared my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sanjay and Sindhu, my screen is not visible, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Try to, like leave and join again.
Ma'am, I tried, ma'am, but then also it's not coming, ma'am.
It must know because it's visible for the others.
Ma'am, maybe their internet issue, ma'am.
Sorry, children, but the only thing I can say is just try to leave and join again because I've shared my screen. It is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry about that. Yeah. All right. So now, all right, children. So now I want you to ask me if you have any doubts regarding these sums which you've already seen in the videos. First, you should have watched the videos. Only then you will have questions to ask. Danya, watched all the videos?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
What about Devadarshini?
Ma'am, watched all the videos, no doubts.
Okay. So see here, simplify. And you can see the expression here. This expression has to be simplified. This expression has to be simplified. See, the contents of all these pages were in the video. These three, the first video had the introduction to algebraic expressions, and then these answers were explained. All these. So till here you would have learned in the videos. All right. So see here, simplify. Simplify this expression. So how do we simplify this expression? Now in this expression, you can see the brackets used at different places. So in order to simplify, we need to remove the brackets. Or we need to get.
Ma'am, first we have to remove the brackets.
Yeah, let me explain. So we need to first get rid of the brackets. So let's do that. So here, this is the first, this is the entire expression. So you can call this the first part of this entire expression. So here, just remove the bracket. There is no sign preceding it. There is no sign, meaning it's a positive sign. So simply remove the bracket and the terms come out freely. 1 by 3y square minus 4 by 7y plus 11. Now here, before the second bracket, there is a minus sign. So if you have to remove this bracket and bring the terms free, then every term should be multiplied with the minus sign outside the bracket. Every time, see here also, in order to remove the bracket, these three terms must be multiplied by the sign outside the bracket here. Outside meaning before the bracket here. But it's a positive sign. It's a positive sign. So plus into plus, when you multiply any sign with a positive sign, the product does not change. See, like plus into plus, plus. Minus into plus, minus. Plus into plus, plus. I'm trying to say that outside this bracket or preceding this bracket is a positive sign. Preceding this bracket is a positive sign. So in order to remove this bracket, we need to multiply these three terms with a positive sign outside here. But when you multiply, you will get the same terms. So when it's a plus outside, the terms will come down as they are. There will be no change in their signs. Now here in the second bracket, before the second bracket, there is a minus sign. The second bracket is preceded by a minus sign. In order to remove this bracket, you need to multiply all these three terms with the minus outside the bracket here. So multiply. So now this is the term 1 by 7y. It has a positive sign. You can't see the sign, but it's plus. Plus 1 by 7y it is. Plus 1 by 7y. So plus into minus. Plus this term carries a positive sign. Plus into minus is minus. And 1 by 7y as it is. Then the next term minus 3. Minus 3. So this minus has to be multiplied with the minus here. Plus. And 3 as it is. Then the next term, plus 2y square. So plus into minus, plus 2y square. So plus into minus is minus and 2y square down as it is. Do the same thing with the third bracket. The third bracket is also preceded by a minus sign. The third bracket is also preceded by a minus sign. So every term in the bracket must be multiplied by the sign here preceding the bracket. 2 by 7y. 2 by 7y is nothing but plus 2 by 7y. The sign it carries is a positive sign. See here. It's a positive sign. 2 by 7y is plus 2 by 7y. So plus into minus, minus 2 by 7y. Again, minus into minus, plus 2 by 3y square. Plus into minus is minus 2. So like this, we open up or we remove the brackets. We free up the terms from the bracket by multiplying all the terms in the bracket with the sign preceding the bracket. When you do that, you get rid of the brackets everywhere. So now the terms are free. They're all outside the bracket. Now we will have to collect the like term. This is the first step. This is the first step in simplification. Whenever the brackets are used, we need to remove the brackets. How? By multiplying the terms inside the bracket with the sign outside the bracket, that is preceding the bracket, before the bracket. So when you do that, you can get rid of the brackets everywhere. That's the first step. The next step is to collect the like terms. The next step is to collect the like terms. So in all, there are 9 terms. If you can see, there are 9 terms in all. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 9 terms in all. And if you can see carefully, there are 3 y square terms. Y square, y square, y square. There are 3 y square terms. There are 3 y terms. Y, y, y. There are 3 y terms. And there are 3 constants. It need not always be like that. In this case, it is like this. It need not be always 3 of each kind. In this case, we have 3 y square terms, 3 y terms, and 3 constants. So just gather them like this. Gather them like this. So see, we have written all the y square terms together, y terms, and then the constants. So how do we write?
Are you separating and writing it, ma'am?
Yeah, so see here 1 by 3 y square. Then there's another y square here, minus 2 y square. And there's another y square here, plus 2 by 3 y square. Then the y terms, minus 4 by 7y, minus 1 by 7y, minus 2 by 7y. And then the constants, plus 11, plus 3, minus 2. Now we need to simplify the y square terms. These we have 3 y square terms. Look at their numerical coefficients, 1 by 3, minus 2, plus 2 by 3. 1 by 3, the rough column here, 1 by 3, minus 2, plus 2 by 3. This one, the coefficients of y square, 1 by 3, minus 2, plus 2 by 3. Now here you will have to take up the LCM and find the answer. It's minus 1. It's minus 1. When you simplify the coefficients, the answer is minus 1. So it will be minus 1 y square. Minus 1 y square. When you simplify 1 by 3 y square minus 2 y square plus 2 by 3 y square. Simplify, y square will come. You need to write y square as it is. What is the value of 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 2 by 3? That's what we've worked here, which is minus 1. So minus 1 y square. And then here we have minus 4 by 7, minus 1 by 7, minus 2 by 7. See it here. Minus 4 by 7, minus 1 by 7, minus 2 by 7. Simplify. Take up the common denominator and all that. So again, this also works to minus 1. So when you simplify these 3 y terms, the answer is minus 1 y. Minus 1 y. Minus 1 y. And this, 14 minus 2, which is 12. So minus 1 y square is nothing but minus y square. Minus 1 y is nothing but minus y plus 12. So when you simplify this expression, the answer is minus y squared minus y plus 12. Any questions, children?
No, ma'am. It's clear, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me for the next one, what's the answer? Please work in your book and tell me. The 7th one, the sides of a triangle are given to you. 3 expressions are given to you. You can see 3 expressions. Those 3 expressions represent the sides of a triangle. You need to find the perimeter of the triangle. Work it and tell me the answer. To find the perimeter, we need to find the sum of the lengths of the 3 sides of the triangle. We simply have to add the 3 expressions. The triangle, 3 sides, 3 expressions. Add the 3 expressions to find the perimeter. Add and tell me.
Ma'am, can you tell the 3 sides, ma'am?
Sorry?
Can you tell the 3 sides? Because I can't see the screen, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Can I send a picture on WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
Question, the picture of the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, Sindhu and Sandhya, I've sent the next 3 questions for you. 7, 8, and 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, children, what's the answer? So in order to add, you can see I've written them, I've written the expressions one below the other. And while writing so, I made sure that all the x terms, y terms, and the z terms, they fall one below the other. You can rearrange the term. Like if it is a plus b, you can definitely write it as b plus a. A plus b can be written as b plus a. Then how will you write a minus b? Supposing we have a minus b and you have to interchange the terms, how will you write it? Am I not audible, children? I'm not getting any response.
Ma'am, it's audible, ma'am.
Yeah, please answer. If it is a minus b, and I wish to write b first and then a. With a minus b, and I wish to write b first and then a. How should I write it? So a minus b, what sign does a carry? Plus or minus?
Minus.
A carries minus 1.
A carries a minus sign. In a minus b, what sign does a carry?
Plus, ma'am.
Plus, ma'am. Plus.
The sign is whatever is preceding the term, before the term, not after it. In a minus b, a carries a positive sign because before a there is nothing. That means plus a it is. And what about b? B carries a
Minus sign.
Minus sign.
Minus sign because it's minus b. Sign is whatever is before the term. So there are 2 parts. You have plus a and minus b. You can write however you want. The 2 in a minus b, the 2 parts are plus a and minus b. So if you want to write b first, what will you write? You should write minus b plus a.
Minus b plus a.
Yeah, minus b plus a. Because in a minus b, the 2 parts are plus a and minus b. Now you want to write it, you want to write b first and then a. So what is b? It's minus b. So write minus b. And what about a? It's plus a. So it's minus b plus a. If you want to exchange it, you should write minus b plus a. You cannot write a minus b as b minus a. A minus b is not b minus a. A minus b is minus b plus a. All of you getting that?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
All right. So similarly, you can see here, children, I've rearranged the terms. So in the second term, 3z, in the second expression, in the second expression, 3z minus 4y minus 2x. But I want to write x first and then y and then z. So if you have to write this one first, 2x carries a minus sign. So it's minus 2x. See here, minus 2x. And 4y carries a minus sign. So minus 4y. Minus 4y. And 3z carries a positive sign. See here, 3z. Before that is plus.
Ma'am, I'm having a doubt.
Yes?
Ma'am, is it compulsory to change the terms in order, ma'am?
Yeah, for the sake of presentation, it will be, if possible, you can do it. Because all the three expressions have x, y, and z.
Okay.
I can't say it's compulsory. But it will be good if you can present it like this. It's not difficult, you can do it.
Okay.
So write the x term first, minus 2x, then the y term minus 4y, and then the z term plus 3z. Similarly, in the last expression, x term first, so minus x, then plus 6y, because before 6y is a positive sign, so plus 6y. And then minus z. Yes, what's the final result?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
No, what's the sum of the three expressions?
Ma'am, 2x minus 10y plus 4z, ma'am.
X minus 10y plus 4z. No, not 10y. See there. 2x minus 6y. The answer is 2x minus 6y plus 4z. What is 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2x. Minus 8 minus 4. Minus 12. Minus 12 plus 6. Simplify the numerical coefficients. Simplify the numbers. Yeah,
Minus 6, ma'am.
Yeah, y comes down as it is. Y comes down as it is. Minus 8, minus 4. The number, simplify the numbers. Minus 8, minus 4. Minus 12. Minus 12 plus 6 is minus 6. Similarly, z comes down as it is. Plus 2 plus 3 is plus 5. This is minus 1. Minus z meaning minus 1. Minus 1. Minus z meaning minus 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 minus 1 is 4 plus 4. We'll have to simplify plus 2 plus 3 minus 1. Plus 2 plus 3 minus 1. Which is plus 4z. The next one. Tell me the answer for the 8th one quickly. What's the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle?
L into B, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2 into L plus B, ma'am.
2 into L plus B. Not area. Perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Please use that formula. Use that formula. Substitute the expressions in the formula and tell me the value of the perimeter.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
still I'm not getting the 7th question.
The answer is on the screen. What is your doubt? You can ask.
Yes, ma'am. In that, ma'am, how, ma'am, in the first 2 x's coming? I'm getting.
What are the different coefficients of x? What are the coefficient of x in the first one?
5, ma'am.
Next one?
2, ma'am.
No, minus 2.
Minus 2.
Next one?
Minus x.
Minus?
X.
The numerical coefficient.
Ma'am, nothing is good.
Minus x means what? Minus?
And what, ma'am?
What is the numerical coefficient in minus x? What is the numerical coefficient? It's minus 1. So now you said 5 minus 2 and minus 1. Simplify those numbers. 5 minus 2 and minus 1. When you simplify, you will get 2. 2x.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sanjay?
ma'am, the answer is minus 18x square minus 22y minus 8, ma'am.
Let me check here. Minus 18x square.
Minus 22y, ma'am.
Yeah, minus 22y. What?
Minus 8, ma'am.
Very good. Both of you got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yes. That is the expression for the perimeter of the rectangle in the 8th one. Devadarshini,
Ma'am,
you understood the simplification?
yes, ma'am.
Or tell me for Z, what are the numerical coefficients in Z?
Ma'am, you are asking for the 7th question.
Yeah, correct.
Ma'am, the numerical coefficients of Z are plus 2, plus 3, and minus 1. Ma'am.
Yeah. Now what is plus 2 plus 3?
Ma'am, plus 3 to plus, we have to add, ma'am, so that 2 plus 3 is 5, ma'am. And then minus 1, ma'am, we have to subtract 1 from it. We will be getting 4Z, ma'am.
You understood now how to simplify?
Yes.
Watch the videos more carefully there, Devadarshini. It's explained in the videos. I think you can notice that. Please watch it again.
Okay.
Yeah. And write the answer for the 8th one. So 2 of L plus B, you can see here. Perimeter of the rectangle is given by the expression 2 of L plus B. 2 of L plus B. So 2 of L plus B. This is the expression for the length. And this is the expression for the breadth. This is the expression for the length and this is for the breadth. So L, length plus breadth. Now you should know that. 1 second, I'll just show you the step that should come in the middle. So it's 2 of 2 into L plus B, right? So L, what is L? Oh, I think, yeah. What is L? 3x square. 3x square minus 4y minus 4. Minus 4y minus 4 plus breadth, which is minus 12 x square minus 12x square minus 7y. So see here, children, this is 2. This is 2 of L. This is L. This one is L. Plus, this is breadth. This is the breadth. 2 of L plus B. You can see the length here. 2 of L length here plus the breadth here. 2 of L plus B. Now we'll have to open the bracket. But since the bracket here is preceded by a plus sign, you know the signs inside this bracket will not change. When you have to multiply, see, remember this, that whenever you have to multiply, now there's a bracket with some terms, some number of terms in it. and the bracket is preceded by a plus sign, a positive sign. When you open the bracket, there will be no change in the signs, because when you multiply anything by a positive sign, it remains the same. Now let's try that. Now if you have a plus sign, plus into plus is plus itself. If it's minus into plus is minus. Any sign multiplied by a positive sign, whether it is plus or minus. Now plus, when you multiply by plus, plus is the answer. A minus sign, when you multiply by a plus sign, minus into plus is minus. When you multiply plus or minus with a positive sign plus, the sign does not change, it remains the same. So these terms will come out as they are. Plus into minus, minus 12x square. Plus into minus 7y. So minus 12x square minus 7y. Same terms you will get. So you can write it directly like this. Here 2 of L, this is L, plus B. Plus B, you can write the terms here as they are. This is L plus B plus B. You can't see the positive sign there because plus into minus 12x square is minus 12x square. Or you can include this step. If you can write the step. You can write the formula 2 of L plus B and then write this one. Write this one. You can write the formula, then write this one. See here 2 into L plus B. Then remove the bracket. Then remove the bracket. When you remove the bracket, you will get this term. You will get this step. And again, like terms. 3x square minus 12x square. You can simplify only the like terms. 3x square minus 12x square. So x square as it is, whenever you add and subtract, whatever we have here, the letters, x square, y square, xy, abc, all, they just come as they are. X square. Simplify only the numerical coefficients. 3 minus 12 is minus 9. X square as it is. We are not multiplying. Whenever you add or subtract, whatever it is here, whatever the literal coefficients are, write them as they are. X square as it is. 3 minus 12 is minus 9. Minus 4y minus 7y. Minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11y. And minus 4 as it is. There is no other number, so as it is. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, after this, we'll have to multiply these terms with the 2 outside. So minus 9 into 2, minus 18x square, minus 11 into 2, minus 22y, minus 4 into 2, minus 8. To remove this bracket, you need to multiply all these terms with the 2 outside. And that will give you this. Devadarshini, what is minus 5a square plus 3a square?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question once again?
Minus 5a square plus 3a square. Minus 5a square plus.
Ma'am, it is 2a square.
Sign minus 5 plus 3 is?
Ma'am, minus 2a square.
Yeah, minus 2a square. Good.
Thank you.
We understood how to multiply, children? Multiply every term in the bracket with a 2 outside. Minus 9 into 2, minus 18. Minus 11 into 2, minus 22. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. X square and y as it is. Tell me the answer for the ninth one. Find the area. In 8, we had to find the perimeter. In 9, area.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, the answer is 3x square 2y cube, ma'am.
The answer is 3x square.
2y cube, ma'am.
Now we need to multiply them. Okay, let's see the answer. So area of the rectangle is given by the formula L into B. We know that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. Now this is the expression for the length 3x square y and breadth is 2y cube. We need to multiply. Now multiplication is different. Now so far we've been adding or subtracting. Now how do we multiply? When we multiply, the first thing is there need not be like terms. When we have to add or subtract, we can add or subtract only like terms. That is, if it's an x square term, it can be simplified with another x square term only. If it's an x square y term, it can be simplified with another x square y term. Addition and subtraction can be performed only with like terms. Now, supposing we had to add 3x square y and 2y cubed. Supposing we had to add, we cannot add them because they're unlike terms. Why? Because their literal factors are different. Here it is x square y, here it is y cubed. If this is x square y, 3x square y, and here this was also 2x square y. 3x square y, 2x square y is 5x square y. Addition, subtraction can be performed only with like terms, not with unlike terms. Unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. But multiplication and division can be carried out with both unlike and like terms. You can make a note of that if you want. Multiplication, division for multiplication and division, you don't have to check if they're like terms. They can be carried out with like or unlike terms, multiplication and division. But addition and subtraction can be carried out only with like terms. If they're unlike, they'll just come as it is. You cannot simplify them. Now, supposing 3x square y. Now, supposing we have to add 3x square y and 5xy square. Now, this is x square y, but this is xy square. The literal factors are different. See here, x square y this is. 2x and 1y this is. This is 1x and 2y's. X square y, xy square. So you cannot add them. They have the letters which you see here, x square y, xy square, they're different. So when you have to add, it is 3x square y plus 5x square xy square. That's it. That's it. So if you have to add 3x square y and 5xy square, the answer is 3x square y plus, just put a plus sign, plus 5xy square. You can only connect them by a plus sign. You cannot simplify them further. Because they're literal fact, they're not like terms. The literal factors are different. They are not like terms. Only like terms can be added or subtracted, can be simplified further. So here this cannot be simplified further. Now this is multiplication. Here is multiplication. Multiplication and division can be carried out with both like and unlike terms. So how do we multiply? 3 into 2, 6. Multiply the numbers, multiply the letters. Multiply the numbers. So multiply the signs first. There are different stages in multiplication. See, there are the signs, there are the numbers, there are the letters. Multiply the signs, multiply the numbers, multiply the letters. They can be like or unlike terms. That's not an issue for multiplication and division. So let's multiply the signs. So both of them carry a positive sign. So just ignore it. You can show the plus sign here, or you may not show it. 3 into 2, 6. X square, there is no x here. So x square as it is. Y into y cube. So in 7th standard, we have seen the law of exponents. How do we multiply y and y cube? Bases are same, we add the powers. And bases are same, we add the powers. Let me show you. So we need to multiply y and y to the power 3. Bases are same, y, the base is y. Y means y to the power 1. When bases are same, we need to add the powers. 1 plus 3, y to the power 1 plus 3. So which is y to the power 4. When bases are same, y, and we have to multiply them, we need to add their powers. One plus 3 is 4. So y into y cubed is y to the power 4. Y into y cubed is y to the power 4. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me what is y to the power minus 7 into y. What's the answer? Into y square. What's the answer? Are the bases the same?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it multiplication?
Yes.
When bases are same and it's multiplication, then we add the powers. When bases are same and it's multiplication, we add the powers. So we write the base y as it is and we add the powers. Minus 7 plus 2.
Minus 5, ma'am.
Y to the power minus 5. Because minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. So this is the answer. Y to the power minus 5 is the answer. Simply add the powers. When it's multiplication, bases are same. Y, it's multiplication. So add the powers. The answer is y to the power minus 5. That's what we're doing here. That's what we're doing here. See, are now related. 3 into 2 is 6. X square, but there's no x term here at all. So x square as it is. Y into y cubed. Y into y cubed means y to the power 1 into y cubed. And you know, y to the power 1 into y cubed, meaning bases are same and it's multiplication. So we have to add the powers. Y to the power 1 plus 3, y to the power 4. So the area of the rectangle is 6x square, y to the power 4 square units. Look at the next one. See if you can understand the next one, the 10th one.
Yes, ma'am, I can able to understand.
Okay. What's the answer? Sindhu and Sanjay, what's the volume?
Ma'am, we are doing, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, the answer is 30 AX BY CZ, ma'am.
correct. 30 AX by CZ. You may also, it's not compulsory, but you can also arrange it. You can write it as 30 ABC XYZ cubic units. Two threes are 6, 6 fives are 30. It's all multiplication. How do we understand this? This is nothing but 2 into A into X. What is 2AX? 2 into A into X. The meaning of 2AX is 2 into A into X. 3BY means 3 into B into Y. 5CZ is 5 into C into Z. That's what is the meaning. When we say XY, it is X into Y. When we say XY, it is X into Y. XY is X into Y. So 5CZ is 5 into C into Z. So it's a product everywhere. 2 into A into X into 3 into B into Y into 5 into C into XZ. So it's multiplication everywhere. So let's multiply the numbers. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Then all these letters, all the literal factors must be multiplied. So it'll be A into X into B into Y into C into Z. I've just arranged it like this. A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Cubic units because it's volume. Yeah, please ask me any question. Your questions, please, in case it's not clear. Okay, try the next one. So this is when you have to multiply this expression and this expression, you should understand that multiplication everywhere. It is 4 in 4x square yz is nothing but 4 into x square into y into z. And this is nothing but minus 3 by 2 into x square into y into z square. See, like ABC is A into B into C, not A plus B plus C. When we say ABC, A into B into C.
Ma'am?
Yeah?
The answer is 3 by 2 x square yz, ma'am.
3 by 2?
X square, ma'am.
X square then?
Yz, ma'am.
No, looks like you've gone wrong somewhere. No.
Ma'am, the answer is minus 6x by 4 y square and z cube, ma'am.
Yeah, that's right. They have shared the answer. Just look at the answer. I'm explaining that. So children, the heading is multiply these two expressions. Multiply these two expressions. So see, you first write it like this. You'll have to multiply 4x square yz. That's why the multiplication sign here, because these two expressions have to be multiplied. So see here, this is the first expression given. This is the second expression given. Multiply them. That's why the multiplication sign in the middle. Multiply them. This expression multiplied by this expression. Now you can see it's multiplication everywhere. 4, how do you read this? 4 into x square into y into z into minus 3 by 2 into x square into y into z square. So multiply the numbers first. 4 into minus 3 by 2. See, there is no plus or minus sign here, children. Please understand that. These are 4 multiplied by x square, multiplied by y, multiplied by z, multiplied by minus 3 by 2, multiplied by x square, multiplied by y, multiplied by z square. There is no plus or minus sign. It's not x plus y, y minus z. There is no plus or minus connector here. It's like 5 into 4 into 3 into 12 into 10 into 15 into 11 and so on. It's just multiplication everywhere. So we'll multiply the numbers. 4 into minus 3 by 2. Then we'll multiply the terms which have all the terms that have the same base. So 4 into minus 3 by 2. Then you can see x square and x square here. So write 1x as the base and add the powers 2 plus 2. You can see a y here and a y here. So write y and add the powers 1 plus 1. Z here, z square here. So z to the power 1 plus 2, because when it's y, the power is 1. When it's z, the power is 1. And you know, when it's multiplication, when the bases are same and it's multiplication, we have to add the powers. And that gives us minus 6x to the power 4 y square z cube. Children, I want you to ask questions to get it more, clear. You may have some question in your mind which I have not attended to. Please feel free to ask. No doubts?
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubts.
You sure you understood how to simplify using the law of exponents? When bases are same, we need to add the powers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and y means y to the power 1. Z means z to the power 1. All right. Then work the next one and tell me the answer, children. Work B.
Ma'am, shall I say the answer?
Yeah, tell me.
200 x power 11, y x power 21 and 3 x power 31.
Tell me again, Danya. Danya, please read your answer again.
Ma'am, 200 x power 12, ma'am, and then y power 22 and then z power 32, ma'am.
No, but I think you said something different earlier, right?
Actually, I didn't see the power, ma'am, that 10 x y z power of 2.
Oh, okay.
I was only thinking that x power 1 and then I started saying adding these numbers, ma'am.
Okay, but still there is a mistake. Try to find it. It's not 200. It's not 200.
Ma'am, is it 400?
No. Not 400.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, the answer is 10 square 20 x 12, y 22, z 32, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, is it 2000?
Yeah, it's 2000. Sindhu and Sanjay have shared the picture. All right. So this is 20 into x to the power 10 into y to the power 20 into y to the power 30 into 10 square. So now this power 2 is applicable to every term in the bracket. Do we understand that? The power 2, because the bracket is raised to the power 2. And what are the different terms we have inside the bracket? 10, x, y, and z. All this is raised to the power 2. 10, x, y, and z. All these are raised to the power 2. Because the bracket is raised to the power 2. That means everything in the bracket, it will be raised to the power 2. So it will be 10 square, x square, y square, z square. Yes? Okay. Now, no, somebody wants to say something. Please say.
Ma'am, for me, you gave the question as 10 square, ma'am. 10 square, x square, y square, z square. Instead of 100 x square, you have given us 10 square x square, ma'am.
No, I've taken the picture from the screen only. It cannot be a different question because I did not write it, no? You can see it. The question is correct. All right. So now, what is 10 square? 100. 10 into 10 is 100. So it will be 20 into 100, which is 2000. 20 into 100, 2000. X to the power 10 into x square is x to the power 12. Y to the power 20 into y square. Y power 22. Z power 30 into z square. Z to the power 32. That's what is the final answer. See, 20 into 100. 10 square is 100. So 20 into 100 is 2000. Then wherever the bases are same, add the powers. Wherever the bases are same, x, x, y, y, z, z. Wherever the bases are same, write that common base x, y, z and add their powers. So the final answer is 2000 x power 12 into 2000 x power 12, y to the power 22, z power 32. It's the same as 2000 into x to the power 12 into y to the power 22 into z to the power 32. It's the same. When there is no sign between two terms, it's a multiplication. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I think Sindhu and Sanjay, you've seen the first line in the answer as the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the question is above that. What you were talking about is the first line in the first step in the answer. All right, children, I've been asking you, requesting you for your doubts. Any question in your head, please ask me.
Ma'am, but the first step also is 10 square and x square, ma'am. How will it become as 100 square, ma'am?
No, 1 minute. Tell me, ask me again. First step is?
First step is 10 square x square, but the second step it becomes as 100 square, ma'am.
No, it's not 100 square. No, 10 square is 100.
Yes, ma'am.
10 square is 100. Then it is x square, y square, z square. No, what's your doubt there?
Ma'am, I thought 10 square will be as 10 square itself, but I didn't notice it will become 100, ma'am.
No. See, if supposing it's 5 square, you should not have it as 5 square. 5 square is 5 into 5, 25. 10 square means 10 into 10, 100. Now you cannot find x square. X square is x square. But if it is 3 square, it's 9. You must write it as 9. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Yeah. Any questions, you can stay back, else you may leave the meeting. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you.